Good morning, dear children. I hope you are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is chapter 42, Comic Superheroes. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn who is having superpowers. Among the heroes, those few are having superpowers. They are acting as movie also as a Superman, Batman, He-Man, Tintin, the the Phantom, Doha, Chacha Chaudhary, Cyborg. Okay, so these are the superheroes and they are entertain the children through their acting. Okay, so how we find who is a Superman, who is a Batman, who is a Tintin, who is a He-Man. Through the actings, they are having some symbols. With that, we can find, okay, he is a Superman, he is a Batman, he is a Tintin, he is a Cyborg. Okay, so now we are going to learn about them, okay, deeply. The first one is, he is a very popular comic superhero. So he is a very popular. All the kids like him very much. Okay, he is doing extraordinary performance in the movies. He first appeared in action, comics and later. So first, in the movie he will appear in the fight scenes. Okay, action. Afterwards, he will show his comic. Okay. In radio, television and video games. Okay, so he shows his comic entertainment through his games, video games and television through some animation movies and cartoon movies and radio by, okay, and he has an S shell on his chest. Okay, on his chest he has a S shell. So in that S shell is a symbol of that man. So within that we can find he is a Superman. Okay, so he is a Superman. So far we learned about Superman. He first introduced himself in the action. After that, later he will show his comic through his video game and radio and television. And a symbol is he has a S. Okay, S shell in his chest. He is a, who is he? He is a Superman. And second one, he is known as the Dark Knight and the world's greatest detective. Unlike most superheroes, he does not have superpowers. So, he is a Batman. So, how the Superman has to fly on the sky and he used to jump out from the long, okay, but Batman, he doesn't have that type of power. Okay, he doesn't have a superpower, but he has more entertainment to keep busy with the kids. He uses science and technology along with his intelligence to defeat his enemies, and he doesn't have a superpower, but he has a science and technology along with his intelligence. He is a very talented and he knows much about technology and science. So with these two, he used to fight with his enemies. Okay, who is he? He is the Batman. So he doesn't have a superpower like others, but he has a more knowledge and he is a more talented person. He used to fight with his enemies with his technology and science. Third one, he is an equally famous comic character. He and his friends defend the kingdom and the secrets of Castle Grayskull from the evil forces of Skeletor. Okay, third person, he is a He-Man and he does not have any separate rules and regulations, but he has one kingdom. Okay, in that he and his friends used to defend kingdom with their separate rules and regulations, secrets. Okay, so Castle creates Skull from the evil forces of Sculptor. So he is a key man. And now he is a very funny actor and he used to do more interesting. Okay, the children used to enjoy fully. They used to laugh all the movies. Okay, from the beginning to till the end. So he is the Tintin. Okay, he is a funny. Okay, he used to act as a funny way. He is a reporter, but he is a reporter. Reporter means he have to collect the news from all the sides. And he lives in Belgium, and he used to live in Belgium. He is helped by his faithful dog, and he has one dog. Dog name is Snowy, and he and his dog used to go. He doesn't have any vehicles to move around the place, but he has a dog. With the help of dog, he used to reach the particular place to collect the news. Okay, so he is a Tintin. His name is Tintin. Please turn the next page. Now we are in the 5th. He is a crime fighter. He is also known as the ghost who walks and the man who cannot die. So he is a crime fighter. Those who are doing against of faith, he used to fight with them. Okay, so he is also known as. So he is the pantomime, and he has a 2. And the ghost who walks, in that movie also we can find him, and the man who cannot die. So these 2 movie we can see him. So his name is the Phantom. And now we are in Doga. In Tom and Jerry, we used to see him. He is considered one of the most popular comic characters created in India. So, which cartoon movies created in India, most of the movies he used to there. And he is one of the most popular comic hero in India. He often hides himself, but he used to hide himself behind a dog mask. Okay, he doesn't want to show his face directly. Very few places we can see him. Okay, so most of the time he used to hide his face with a dog mask. And now he is a very popular Indian comic character. As a comic character, he was created in 1971 for the Hindi magazine Lord Pot. He is loved by kids and elderly alike. Okay, so he is latest one magazine. He act. That magazine name is Lord Pot. Okay, so in that through that magazine, he liked the kids more compared to the elder. Okay, his name is Chacha Chaudhary. His name is Chacha Chaudhary. So all of them, okay, are different way. They are famous in the particular field. At last, we have Chaibra. He is a superhero. He is a superhero, a founding member of Justice League. He is a Justice League. He is the one of the member of Justice League family. He is a genuine with inbuilt weaponry and technopathy. So he doesn't want any inbuilt weaponry. He doesn't want any weapons to fight with his enemy. Okay, with his genuine inbuilt. Okay, without the weapon also he used to fight with his enemies. So his name is Cyborg. And Prawn was an Indian cartoonist. He is best known as the creator of Chacha Chaudhary, Sri Mataji, Pinky and Billu. Okay, Prawn is the most popular cartoonist movie. Okay, and he only give best known as the creator of Chacha Chaudhary and Sri Mataji, Pinky and Billu. So far we learned 8 comic superheroes name. Okay, the first one is Superman. So, ma'am, how can we find the Superman? He has a S shield in his chest. And second, we learn about Batman. Third, we learn about He-Man. And fourth, we learn about Tintin. And fifth, the Phantom. And sixth, Doha. Seventh is Chacha Chaudhary. And eighth is Cyborg. So we learn eight comic superheroes. Okay, I hope you understand the lesson and you know something about our superheroes. And you watch many cartoon movies. So those who are acting in the cartoon movies, from this 8, among them only, they have entertainment to the kids. Okay, so learn well for your exam. Thank you and have a nice day.